Hello, I thought I'd do another video. Haven't done one for a while, I know, but I signed up for Pink Monarch Prints November 2025 subscription kit. I got it for about £4 odd in the Black Friday sale, and I loved it so much because you got absolutely loads. That I signed up for a subscription, which you go on Pink Monarch Prints. I think it's .com. I'll put the link down below, and it works out at about £7, under £7 a month. I thought I really loved it. It's been a lovely treat for myself, so I thought, why not? It's so nice to get back into junk journaling again. So enough of me faffing on. I'll show you what I've done. So the front page, we've got a bit of gold embossing using crafty individual stamps. This book is about to be thrown out, so rather than going to landfill, I've made some art with it. Little pocket there, remember the now, jelly printing on tracing paper, a bit of stamping on a leather tag I did a while ago. A lot of this incorporates things from a long time ago. Wooden resin art. At the sides, we've got to these layers. This ribbon was quite white, so what I did, I just run a tea bag along it to distress it a bit. Here's all the closures. I do lots of crafts, so anything autumn related I tied on. So we've got another leaf here. This was an old ornament. It was silver. I just made it copper with a bit of fabric mark. No, not just an ordinary marker to make it brown. So we've got the first page. I live in Liverpool, and all my sons are watching the match at the moment, so hopefully Liverpool will win. We don't call it fall, we call it autumn. So there's a bit of crafty individual stamps. Talking of autumn, I really love, there's a beautiful acer tree outside my window. All the leaves have dropped now, but I wanted to capture the leaves. So this is just a laminated pocket I've melted around the edges. And I'm also in a fancy fold card group on Facebook, and the challenge is still called FFC Challenge 2023. It's a card making group that does lots of folds, but I tend to use the folds for journaling. So there's a little file from using their idea. I'll carry on. As I say, there'll be loads of pockets in here. My sons play guitars, so they gave me lots of Ernie Ball guitar string pockets. So there's lots of, I've used those lots in this journal. This is a bit of collage paper from my experiments. November poem. I'm going to write all my books I've read in November there. I put lots of photographs in here. Lots of tags, as you can see. I love all the layers that you get. The stamping, more tags. Spread your wings and fly. There's the nice pockets. More arty stuff. So it's a really nice kit, and I'm looking forward to each month to having a play with all, printing them all off and having a play with all the papers, because I've had great fun doing this over the last couple of weeks. No beauty shines brighter than that of a good heart, and all I've done is I'm going to make that a notepad, a bit of journaling. I'll put that in later. That's the layers. There's the pages make into pocket. Choose to see the good stuff. This is a black card just put through an embossing folder and then gold ink on it. I'll put lots of photographs here. People forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel, by the great Maya Angelou. And another favourite poem, Just If You Must. Just if you must, but wouldn't it be better to paint a picture or write a letter? Bake a cake or plant a seed, ponder the difference between want and need. And here's some more jelly print experiments on tracing paper, bit of stamping. I love watching the birds in my garden. The belly band. Another poem. Nice little tag. Sadly, I went to a friend's funeral, so that was the order of service in there to remember a fellow artist. Live, create, tell the story. I love reading books, so we list them all in there. And my sons like reading books as well, so that's good. More tags. As you can see, lovely papers. Most of them are from this lovely kit. There's the last page, small axamater. There's all the binding. So there you go. So bye for now.